Vivo is gearing up to unveil its next flagship lineup. The Vivo X300 series include the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro models on October 13 at China. Vivo X300 Pro will be offered in Wilderness Brown, Simple White, Free Blue and Pure Black. The X300 series will be the first to debut MediaTek's new Dimensity 9500 chip. It will also feature the Blueprint V3 Plus imaging chip, Origin OS 6. Both X300 and X300 Pros support the Zeiss 2.35x telephoto extender, the same accessory first introduced on the X200 Ultra. X300 Pro carries a Sony LYT-A28 main sensor offering 50 megapixels, paired with a 50MP ultra-wide and 85mm 200 megapixel Zeiss APO telephoto. The X300 Pro features a slim 7.99mm profile and a 6.78-inch flat display with a metal frame designed for a sharper edge feel. It will also pack dual UFS 4.1 storage. The Vivo X300 Pro will have a large 7000 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.